This is a Lockwood Asa Abloy 334C45. This is the second 334 padlock from Lockwood that I've had, and this particular one I asked Neville in Australia to purchase one online, since they're not available on eBay for customers elsewhere than in Australia. So I asked him to buy one and ship it to me. So in return I will ship him a nice little package with locks. And I picked this now, I think for the third time, and they are really challenging. It's only a 5-pin, but the tolerances are so fine that a slight mistake will you will need to reset and start over. And let's bring out the vise, put it in. I'm going to lock it up, and now I will attempt to pick it. I will start out using a Euro hook for this Australian padlock. And later on I will use a deep hook to access the pin in the back. And this is the tricky bit. Three set, 2 set, really sharp sound when it sets. Number 1, there we go. So 3, 2 and 1 are set. Let's go back to that number 4 or 5. That's yeah, I'm going to change picks. That's the deep hook to access those in the back. Overset, number 5. I think I got it. Yep. So now it's only the number 4 left. Something dropped. It's really tight in there as well. Number 5 dropped. There we go. 5 is set. Back to number 4. And it's open. There we are. So the core is dead. As you can see, it's not spring loaded. Now we are going to gut it. I'll put it right there. Still in frame. Alright. That's about right. Whoops. Yep. I do have the key for it. Oops. I need a better screwdriver. Yeah, no need for keys. Just want to get inside this one. Come on. So that's the actuator. And we're halfway there. Okay. So let's do it. Number 6 should be empty. Yep. Number 5 should be a spool. So that's the Lockwood shallow spool, stainless steel. It's another one. It's another one. Yet another one. And the first one should be yet another spool. Yeah, 5 spools, stainless steel. And the key pins. All standards. Tweezers working very well. And we're going to zoom in. Anyway. Sorry about this. That's the Lockwood 334 C45. We have 5 stainless steel spools in the top and 5 stainless steel standards in the bottom. And this is the key pitting. That's a nasty one, very low cut, and a few high cuts. Okay, LDU2U or Neville, thank you very much for sending me this one. I'm now going to ship it away. This one is going to Slim Pickens in Ireland, Northern Ireland. And Neville, thanks again. I will return the favor in a package very shortly. Thanks for watching. See ya. Okay, I've reassembled the 334, and this one is going out to Brian. or slim pickings in Northern Ireland. I've done one slight modification to this one, and I have picked it, so I know it's possible to pick it, even though this added modification. So Brian, good luck. See ya.